Hi everybody and welcome to In the Spotlight. I am Amana, personal coach to celebs, high flyers and anyone who's in the spotlight. And I am talking Love Island. And Georgia, what are you playing at, girl? You know you kissed Jack. We all know, because guess what? It's all on camera and that bombshell is going to drop sooner or later. So here's what you need to do. You first of all are 100% honest with Laura. She's supposed to be your friend, right? Then prove it. Secondly, you've got to apologise and mean it and then shut up, because the more you waffle on about it, the bigger the hole you're going to dig and the girls are still going to gossip. And thirdly, repair your friendship with Laura. She matters to you, right? Then act like a good friend and do whatever it takes to win back that trust. You know what, girls? We all make mistakes, but the thing is, how well do you overcome it, and how well do you repair the damage, and how well do you really act like a true friend? So there you have it. Let me know what you think. Drop me a line and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.